Hello everyone. This project is about supply chain management using blockchain. So, what is supply chain management? Supply chain management is monitoring and optimization of production and distribution of a company's products and services. So, it is an overall way of making more efficient of all the processes, and in which involving the raw materials and components of final products and getting them to the ultimate customer. So yeah, but this supply chain management, this is a regular supply chain management which is happening nowadays. But we can use blockchain for making the supply chain management more efficient. So this project proves how it works. So before going to this, are the things you have to know. First, the raw material supplier will have the raw material supplied for the given medicine, and after this the manufacturer will complete these into final products. After this, the distributor will distribute these to the retailers, and the retailer will give it to the end of the customers. So this is the whole system works. We are going to show how using blockchain this will be more efficient and it's more secure through blockchain. So before diving into concepts, I want to get to know that supply chain management system, here the tools which are used are, one is Remix IDE, through which we are writing and compiling the smart contract, whereas this is deployed in Hardhat. The smart contract is deployed through Hardhat, in which we can deploy the contract locally, and also we have many testing accounts which we can use. So this whole system runs on the EVM, Ethereum virtual machine. So yeah, this is how after deploying NPX Hardhat node means the Hardhat will deploy. After this, we can deploy the contract, and these are the test accounts. So yeah, for a glimpse of the smart contract, this is how smart contract looks. So we'll dive into concept. First, as you have seen, we have deployed the contract. So 0F39 is the admin or the owner of the project. So yeah, he is connected to the account, and now I can register the roles. For now, I registered one role, which is RMS1. He is from Chennai, and his account address is 05F39. So this is the same guy, the owner. I can also give another credential. So I'm giving this blockchain address. His name is maybe RMS2, and his location Mumbai. And after this, I can add him as a raw material supplier. Yeah, so this is how the verification is. For each and everything, a specific amount of gas is required. Yeah, after completing, it will be registered successfully. Yeah, you will see it. So you also have a manufacturer. We have a retailer, which is a 0C4, and yeah, the manufacturer is 070, and the distributor is, yeah, this is one distributor. So it will take some time to load. So after this, first we can see this, he is the RMS supplier. So now I am going to create a medicine here. Already we had two medicines here. One is already medicine ordered, and another in the manufacturing sheet. I am having another medicine. You can say benzoyl. So this one is used for removing acne and clear face. Yeah, I'm giving this. After adding the medicine, again the same thing happens, as whether gas is required for each and every transaction. I'm confirming it. Yeah, you can see the benzoyl is added. And also in the register roles, see, RMS2 is this one. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give the specific medicine ID, and first you can see the medicine is ordered in the ordered stage. So tracking the medicine, you can see now only it's in the ordered state. So medicine is ordered. Now we are having the pending for the supplier, manufacturer, distributor, and retailer. So first I will go to the yeah. So as you can know, he is a raw supply material. He can supply the raw materials. So I'm giving the particular ID. Yeah. After transaction is processed, we can confirm it. Yeah. So now after refreshing, you can see he is in the raw material supplied state, and the raw material is supplied by this one, RMS1. So after this, what happens means I have to log in a different account, because RMS1 is only for RMS. So for manufacturing, I have to go for Manu1. So for that, I have a different account. Yeah. Again, I have to connect the wallet. This is like login. And supply medicine, you can see for this in the raw material supplied. So now I'm going to give the ID, which is a 3, and I'm going to manufacture. Yeah. If this is wrong means the transaction will be stopped. It will also show you. Yeah, so that's a manufacturing state. You can see if I give the distribute means it will show VM exception while the processing, because unauthorized distributor, because here the distributor is not he is not a distributor, he is only a manufacturer. For distributor, who is the distributor I have given is 0F39. So he is the distributor, only he can distribute the medicine to the retailer. So again I have to log in for a different account. Yeah, so I can connect and I can yeah, first we'll track the medicine once. If you track the medicine, manufacture is completed. So now distribution is pending. So for distribution, I am going to distribute this medicine. So I will give the ID 3. If I click distribute means, yeah, the process happens. Yeah, so finally it's distributed. If I refresh the page, I can see it's in distribution stage. So who distributed the medicine means, you can also see it's the DS distributor 1. So at last again, who is the retailer means, the retailer you can see who is the retailer. So 0C4 is the retailer, the account number 8. So I'm going to log in through that account. So retailer retail the product and he will also sell the product. So his account number 8. Yeah, I'm logging in account number 8, and again I will give the ID which is 3, and the same I will supply it to the retail. Yeah, so finally just in the supplying to the retail stage, and after this we can also sell the medicine for the given thing. Again if I put 3, I can sell the medicine. Yeah, so after selling the medicine, you can see it will show us medicine is sold. So we have successfully sold the medicine. You can see this is the supply chain. So who is the supplier, who is the manufacturer, distributor, retail. So here the thing is we we can check whether the product is correctly supply chain is correctly working or not, and we can also see if any controversies happen between. Also we can clearly check out what are the problems. So this is the whole project about the supply chain management.